Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Lexus is safely parked and turned off before you begin. This simple maintenance task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 10 minutes. You'll be surprised how straightforward it is to improve your rear visibility. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort, so don't force it. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. To complete the process, turn on your Lexus and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid. Ensure it clears the window smoothly and effectively. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear or streaking to maintain optimal visibility. Also, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.